Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying the simplest but most common causes. First, check your computer or device clock. SSL relies on accurate time, and offset often triggers privacy errors. Once done, open the browser padlock and view the certificate details to see issuer and expiration dates, because expired certificates are the usual culprit. Make sure to try the site on another device or a mobile network. This step tells you if the problem is local to your machine or more widespread. Next, you dig into software and network settings that change how certificates are validated. Clear the browser cache and disable extensions briefly, because extensions can inject content or interfere with TLS handshakes. Then, look at your antivirus or firewall. Some perform HTTPS scanning and substitute certificates. Disabling that feature lets you confirm it's the cause. Also, check DNS resolution and flush the DNS cache, or switch to a reliable resolver like 1.1.1. Finally, you decide whether to fix locally or escalate. If the certificate chain is invalid or self-signed, contact the site owner so they can renew or reconfigure their certificate. You should not bypass security for sensitive sites. Once you understand the risk, use the browser's advanced options to proceed for low-risk pages, but make sure to revert any temporary settings. If problems persist, update your OS and browser, gather certificate and network logs, and file a report with the site or your IT team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.